Hey everybody in Facebook land. This is Amanda Bridges. This is my 38th video of my tools in my toolbox. I only have 2 more tools to go and then I'll be finished with my series that I started last year. And so I'm real proud of myself. I've literally done 37 previous videos. And I thought I was going to do this video this afternoon or this morning before I went to Bible study at church. But I now came after choir practice back to the office to do this video because it's time to for me to do my video for the week. My tool in my toolbox, or my tool kit, or my tool chest. So my tool this week, number 38, is my memory. I've got a really good memory. And those of you who have gotten to know me over the last 4 years or have known me for a long time, and if you say, now, when did so-and-so get married, or when was so-and-so president, or when did so-and-so happen, and I can say, okay, let me see, blah, 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 and I can calculate it, and I can go, blah, 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 and I can get it down to the day and possibly even the hour, because that's just what I can do. So that's one of my skills, gifts that I can do, and so I like remembering good things and good songs, and when I went to Europe with my orchestra group 120 years ago in 1977, when I went to Chicago, let's see, what other things did I do when I graduated from college and I went on these trips, and, I can remember all that stuff. And that's an easy thing for me to do. And it's pleasurable for me to be able to remember it instead of saying, gosh, that just drives me crazy, I can't remember, but I remember. So I even know the year that I taught some of my students when I taught for 28 years. So some of my students are my friends on Facebook, and I even remember what year I taught them. So I can't help it. That's just the way I am. So that's one of my skills. That's one of my tools, and I can remember a lot of good and a lot of bad events that have happened. So my memory is my tool number 38 of my tools in my toolbox. And if you've watched the whole series, you know what I'm talking about. And so, all righty, I only have 2 more to do. And so I'll finish up January. So I would have done this series for about 10 months. And then I'll just keep putting content on Facebook. And then I take this Facebook Live that I'm doing right now and I upload it to YouTube because I have my YouTube channel, building my budgeting coaching business. And so, okay, everybody, it's Amanda Bridges signing off. You can contact me. I'm on YouTube. I'm on Instagram. I'm actually on TikTok. I'm on Facebook. So you can, I think there's an email address somewhere on my Facebook page. So there are ways to contact me. You can ask me a question. You can, tell me. Hopefully these videos have meant something to somebody where I'm not focusing on the medication. I'm focusing on my tools that I've been talking about for the last 10 months. And I really hope this has helped somebody, because it's helped me, and I've enjoyed making these videos for Facebook and then putting them on YouTube, so now they're YouTube videos. Okie dokie. Well, see everybody. See y'all later. Amanda Bridges signing off. Video number 38 is in the bag. All righty. See y'all. Bye.